Quick unboxing of the new Glycine Combat Sub 39mm. Bought this watch from glycinestore.eu. I've been wanting the Combat Sub for some time, but the 42mm just too big for me. I got a small wrist, and the 36 just felt a little bit small. Some warranty card and some cloth. I know a lot of people have been wanting to see a video of this watch. When I was, deciding to buy this one, I couldn't really find any pictures or videos of it all because it's a very new release. I just think it was just released like last month. So here it is. I ordered the black dial with gilt hands and gold. The numbering in gold. Check the bezel action. Ooh, 120 click. A little bit stiff, but no play at all. Really nice. And it lines up perfectly. And the dial has some, a little bit of sunburst effect too. It's really nice. Alright. See, the case is 39mm in diameter and the lug to lug is 46, and the case thickness is 11.5, so very nice and thin. 300-meter water resistance. Yeah, this is nice. Solid link bracelet. Not too fan of the polycenter links. Solid anglings. Screw down case back. Check the clasp. It's a middle clasp. Pretty standard. Nothing too special, but it's solid. Check the crown. The crown actually is nice. So yeah, the crown is very nicely finished. It's big, nice and easy to operate. It's just to quickly compare to other watches in similar size. This Hydro Conquest 39. The Hydro Conquest wears a bit larger because the longer lugs. It's another smaller diver. It's the first Certina DS Action 38mm. And Planet Ocean 39.5. So I say it wears quite true to its size at 39mm. Anything else? Movement is pretty basic. Solida SW200. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this for some time and check it out. Maybe I'll make a full review later on.